Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the battery in a Honda Fit for their physical key. It's got some rectangle buttons here. This was used from 2015 to present, so if you've got a Honda Fit and this key, this is how you change the battery in the fob. So go ahead and flip it over. You'll see a really tiny screw there. So you're going to need a precision screwdriver set like this. You can get this for like $4 on Amazon. I'll link to it in the video comment below. So go ahead and take your smallest screwdriver and you're going to have to press really hard to get traction into this screw, and then obviously unscrew it. I've already kind of loosened this one, so it's going to go pretty quick, but trust me, this can be hard to get out the first time. So once we get that out, if we look on the side right here, there's a little notch. And if we take our flathead screwdriver into this notch right here on the side and twist, we can get some leverage between the two pieces of this kind of clamshell fob, and just keep twisting there and you'll be able to pop off the back of the key fob. So you can see the internal battery here. If we take our flathead, just pop kind of gently underneath, this will pop right out. You can see it's a CR1620 3-volt battery, and I'll link to that as well. So when you put a new 1620 back in, just make sure that you push in this top part first. It's got some metal prongs that kind of have a little bit of give, and then these plastic pieces at the bottom, not so much. So if you push into the give ones first, you'll be able to kind of easily get underneath the plastic ones I've found. So once you've got the new one in, just go ahead and replace the backing on the fob. Snaps back together really easily. Put the screw back in, and that's it. So that's how you change the battery on a Honda Fit with the physical key.